Okay, so for this week's real estate tips, I want to share a question that came up at the last rent-to-own summit that we had here in August in Kamloops. And one of the students said, Dave, if you could recommend one book on real estate investing, what would it be? What's your favorite book on real estate investing? And it really kind of took me aback because I couldn't come up with one book. And I think that's an improper question. The most successful people that I know, when they become interested in something, they swarm all over it. So for example, right now I'm looking at a new real estate investing possibility. So I'm going to be I've already invested a couple $100 in books from Amazon that are getting shipped to me as we speak. I'm going to invest another probably several $100s to $1,000 in different little courses and home study things about this particular area of real estate investing, because if I'm going to get into it, I think having a good overall view of the whole thing is very, very important. So getting back to what are my favorite books on real estate investing, it depends on what kind of real estate investing you want to do. So for this week, we'll talk about the basics. So I'm assuming if you're watching this, you are Canadian and you are in Canada. So I would suggest whatever books that you get about real estate investing be focused on the Canadian market. So a very good place to start is Don Campbell, who's the president of the Real Estate Investment Network, REIN, has the #1 bestseller called Real Estate Investing in Canada. I don't have that one handy, but I have his book, 97 Tips for Canadian Real Estate Investors, which is also very good. So I would start with that, Real Estate Investing in Canada by Don Campbell. Very, very good overview of the whole thing. Another great book is The Canadian Real Estate Action Plan by our friend Peter Kinch, Canada's #1 mortgage broker. And this gives you a very good idea of how to set things up so you can build your portfolio properly from the very beginning. Now, as we speak, the mortgage rules are changing all the time. They're tightening up, they're loosening up. No, they're not loosening up right now, but eventually they probably will. So things are a little bit different than when Peter wrote the book. However, the concept is the same, the ideas are the same, and the suggestions are very, very good. So this is a good idea to read after you've got a basics of how real estate works. Then, of course, if you're looking for another good basic primer on basic real estate investing, Creative Real Estate Investing for Canadians by my good friend Ken Beaton and myself. Got to give us a plug as well. We've had great reviews about this book from novice and experienced investors. The newbies really like it because it's very laid out, very, very easy to follow. And the professional real estate investors like it as well because it's a good review of some stuff that they've probably forgotten. If you're interested in this book, it's easy. Just scroll down to your right. There should be a tab there, and you can get this book for free or very, very close to it. All right, so those are the books that I recommend as far as newbies or getting started in basic real estate investing in Canada.